in this lecture, we are going to install Tailwind CSS. So we are going to install it as a bundle. So by doing that, we don't need to use Node.js. So to do the installation, we just need to type this command. After you do that, you just click on enter. Alright, so this is done successfully. Next, we are going to run this command, which is for initialization of the Tailwind CSS in the project. So you type this. So just hit enter. This is going to generate two files for you. So it's going to generate this file tailwindconfig.js in the project directory. Then it's also going to update this particular file. So now let's take a look at the files. All right. So first, it generated this particular file by assigning all the path to the Tailwind CSS. Therefore, it will work properly. Then next, you go to the asset folder in the style app.css. You have these files, these directives added. So this is the configuration made based on the installation that we have just made. All right. So after this, you can go to composer.json. So all the installation made are all added here. So this is the one that we just added, which is Tailwind bundle. Alright, so here we have come to the end of this lecture. See you in the next lecture.